My name is Topo Tua Kole, City Mayor for Dubuque City.
Okay, I understand that you have asked the people to do some brushing around the city, especially those who have premises, to learn to clean their premises. So what is the issue behind this?
Yeah, it's the responsibility of the city mayor, whatsoever city is, to be a clean area. Especially so, it is true that I'm a city mayor. I work with the Ministry of Health as a community health worker for this community, Dubuque community. And any other area that is dirty, especially the hard bush. From the hard bush, you experience mosquito and whatsoever to bring in your malaria. So we are driving away the bush and the orange peeling in Dubuque so that the area will be clean and the mosquito will go away from this place.
So as we look around the city of Dubuque, we see that there is no city hall. In fact, there's no administrative building where offices of the administration of the city will be. What plan do you have to have these offices?
Well, the government of today is a new government, and the former government didn't do anything about the development of Dubuque and whatsoever in Liberia. So I am now praying to any other persons like the Liberia Builder Association came and they help the people of Dubuque with a school. So I am now appealing to any other persons, home or abroad, to help me rebuild whatsoever that was destroyed in Dubuque.
Okay, so if you say you want to appeal to any other person, are you speaking about in terms of the citizens of this place, those children who came from here, who attended school here, or are you saying that any other person, like the government of Liberia or whatever?
Well, I'm especially speaking to those who, the born citizens of the area, who attended school here and who was blessed by God from Dubuque. Because when I say government, it will waste my time. And Louis Henry, who came from Swedish to build the schoolhouse here, came from all the way from here in Dubuque. And when the Swedish he learned there, and he got a blessing from Dubuque. This is why he came back. So any other person from Dubuque can appeal to help us.
Okay, let's go back to this to your call for people to clean around the city. Are they cooperating with you, or what is their response to that call?
Well, yourself can see from day before yesterday, the announcement went on, and my people, anytime I make any other announcement like that, they always cooperate with me. They are doing well. They are going around to clean the town, and from there we'll be cleaning the road.
Okay, quite recently we heard the news about a child being missing from here. What is the city government doing to try to put in place safety so that issues like this will not come up?
Well, since we were born, it's the first time in the history of Dubuque for such a thing to happen. We protected our people already, and we told them that nobody else will come from elsewhere again to come to Dubuque to do such a something like Josiah Jah did. Or we will not like it. We told our citizens to feel free and go about their normal businesses. Josiah Jah and his group are already been turned over to the national government. So for the issue of child missing or whatsoever, I will assure every one of the citizens in Jabboville and Dubuque area that he should go on the normal businesses, and we will not allow it again to happen in our community no more.
Thank you. Do you have any other words or any other thing you want to say to anybody concerning this city of Jabboville?
Yeah. My first appeal to my brothers and friends who left from here, who is now in the States or whatsoever, is to assist the people of Dubuque City with some materials. Yes, it is true that we are cleaning our community, our personal area, but we want to build toilets. The health of the people is very important. The toilet we want to build, we don't have diggers, we don't have shovels, zinc, wheelbarrows and whatsoever. It's the first project. The national government is not planning now to assist any other person because The government is a new government. But without those things, without a good toilet area, the disease will still come about. We are brushing around town. But when you go into the uncovered toilet, it will embarrass you. So I appeal to every one of them, any other person who will get this recording, to help the city of Dubuque with wheelbarrows, shovels, diggers, colaces, so that we will have to, build our own toilet. This because it's very important. It's starting the people of Dubuque. From there, we can go to any other development. We will just do it bit by bit.
Okay. Can you call your name again?
I'm Topo Tuawule, City Mayor, Dubuque City, here in Dubuque.
Thank you. This recording was made by me, Brother Toby Kang. Today is the 11th of May 2006.